Alright, here's a quick update on those seeds that I started a while ago. Went down to grow tent. This was a couple days ago actually. It took me a while to get this video done. And decided to bring everything outside to start hardening it off. And you can see just the amazing growth that those plants had under the light. Seemed to be the best light yet that I've tried. And I'm only running it on the second brightness level there too. So everything seems to be ahead of schedule right now. But here's the eggplants. I'm going to put these outside and, let them experience sun and wind and cold at night, stuff like that. Frosty nights, I'll bring them back in to, so they don't die. But you want to abuse them a little bit before you put them out. And there you can see the eggplants. They are just gorgeous again this year. Hope the flea beetles don't get them again. But anyhow, I just wanted to show you that, everything really did wonderfully, and the plants are real healthy looking. And one thing is they did grow a little bit too fast, so I'll have to start things a little later next year. And it's time to shut this light down. And as I said, it was only on the second brightness and didn't really raise the electric bill that much this year. So I put a table out on the porch to put these on, and it gets good afternoon sun. And the weird thing is the plants also started growing roots out of the stem, which I've never seen before. So light did something to them. But anyhow, you can see they all look pretty good. A little bit tall just from being packed in so tight there. And I had to wait for the cold freezes to get over with before I could move them outside. Now here's some peppers that were in the grow tent, and here's the ones I took out a while ago and put them under light up here. And you can pretty much see the difference in them. That Vevor light in the grow tent really did a much better job with them. Stronger plants, stronger stems, and bigger plants. So, lighting does make a difference. Even though these lights up here are rated as grow lights, they really don't do as good. Boss is out here keeping an eye on me while I'm working, and you can see the peppers and tomatoes and everything. Wind's starting to get to them and blow them and dry them out some. And no sweet potatoes this year. I tried again for about 3 months. That thing's been in the jar there and nothing. So I give up on sweet potatoes, and I didn't order slips, so I won't have any. And there's our dove back. She's back for the season, just laid her eggs, and she's been hanging out in the nest. Let's go down to the garden. You can see the couple yards of compost are almost emptied out of the trailer. And the bins all have a couple buckets of fresh compost in them for this summer's growth. And you can see down there there's the garlic coming up, and the beds look really good. Got them all just about all cleaned up. And a couple in the back there that weren't cleaned up when I took this video, but now everything's all cleaned up. Just have to go down and get one more load of compost to finish up the outside beds. And I got some peas in along the fence there, and the garlic's doing good. Shallots are just starting to break through now. And these onions I put in look terrible from all the heat and sun, but they'll pick up and survive. And again, there's the peas along the fence there. So I just wanted to do a quick update and let you know that, the plants really did good under that light, and I'm real happy the way they came out. But they did grow a little bit too fast, it seems like. So next year I'll have to wait a couple weeks later to put them in. And now I'll just put the plants out here and abuse them for a couple weeks before they go out. It's that time of the year again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.